All right, okay, here we go. This is the last bit. This is the equation of a line from its graph. We need to find the equation of a line from its graph. You know, or you should know, how to plot the straight line from its equation. We saw that the other day. So say y equals 2x plus 3. You ended up with something like that. All right, but now you have to do the opposite. Well, what if they give you the line and you have to find the equation from the line? So here it is. In general, not always, but for now, in general, the equation of a line is going to look like y equals mx plus c, where m and c are actually going to be numbers like 2 and 3, okay? So m and c are the two numbers that you have to find from the graph, and you will just write y equals 3x minus 7, or whatever it is. This number here, that's called the gradient. And the gradient I showed you how to find in the last video. Remember, we pick 2 points on the line that are easily identifiable. We draw a triangle. We find the change in y, which we write as delta y. Delta Greek letter looks like a triangle. That means the change in y, okay, delta y. We find the change in the x, delta x, and we divide the change in y over the change in x. So the gradient is defined as delta y over delta x. But we did that in the last video. You should be able to do it, you should have practiced that. Now we need to find c, and this c thing, this number here, we call the intercept. The intercept. And the intercept is basically simply where your line cuts the y-axis. So at which point does the line cross the y-axis? Remember, that's the y-axis, that's the x-axis. So at that point, not that one, some people make that mistake, not that one, this point is the y-intercept. In this case, it would be here, and it would have been 3. Okay, so that's how you find the intercept. It's very simple. All you have to look at is where the line crosses the y-axis. That is the y-intercept. That is the number that goes there. And that is it. If you put the gradient together, which you should have practiced and you should know, I have a good idea about it, and then you get the intercept, which is just literally, I said again, where the line crosses the y-axis. That's how you find the equation of the line. Some lines maybe fall a little bit below. Some lines may even have a negative intercept. That's possible. But that is it. It is that simple and that complicated. Because some of you aren't watching the videos, some of you aren't working, and you probably are not listening or watching me now say this because you aren't working. But anyway, just dropping it out there and see what happens. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.